will be doing the core workout, okay? And I just want to begin saying that if you cannot do full range, no problem, do not stop, okay? Do half range, some range, okay? But just don't give up saying that I can't do it, okay? If you're not able to do the full range of motion for the exercise, do maybe a 50% of it, but let's do it, okay? So we'll start with the warm-up, okay? We'll start with the neck. Neck, we'll first go ahead and rotate it clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Do not keep your eyes shut. Keep it open, because if you shut them, the chances are when you open it, you might just feel very dizzy. So go nice and slowly, but do not close your eyes. Okay, 5 times, and then anti-clockwise 5 times. Let's do it very slowly. And feel your neck moving. Okay, now we will do up and down. Touch your chin to your chest. Okay, and up. And up. 4 and 5. Now we'll do side by side. I will stretch my neck as much as possible. So whenever you're doing any kind of neck exercise, always keep your eyes open. The chances are we feel giddy when we close our eyes and then we open it. Right, so the next thing is the warm-up today will also help us in just warming up our core. Right, so the next thing is called as star jacks. All I will do is I will bend down and take my left leg out. Bend, right leg. Bend, left leg. Bend, right leg. We will do this for 30 seconds. Okay? Very slowly. We do not need to hurry up. I'm just taking my legs out. That's it. I'm bending down, right leg. Do it slowly. And while you're doing it, focus on your core. Focus on your abs. Very slowly. If you can't go this much, I'm okay with just going very low, but do some range of motion. Right? Now we'll do side boxing. Okay, again we'll bend and we'll box. Again, this will be for 30 seconds. When you're going down, I want you to take your abs muscle in. And do not forget to keep breathing. Keep breathing. Right, the next one will be slams. Okay, so I'll widen my stance and I will just go down. And I will bend a little. Focus on your core, guys. Swing your arms. Right. The next will be cross body, high knee. So, I will touch my right leg with my left hand and my left knee with my right hand. And I will twist. I'm just going to twist. I'm going to keep my hip same line. I'm not going to move my hip. My hip will be in the same position and I will just twist. You know, these are the dances from the 80s. Another 5 seconds. Keep breathing, guys. Alright, the next thing is we'll go ahead and stretch our legs. Widen your stance and we'll just touch the toes. We'll do it for a count of 20, 10 each.
All these pieces.
Go ahead and do it slowly. Do not rush.
In mercy gathered, mended and whole. Empty-handed, but not forsaken.
Right. The next thing I want you to do is hold your hands, okay, in the middle, and we will just raise our legs. Okay, so we'll raise our legs 10 times and 10 times. Right? Let's do it. Okay, if you can't stretch, you do this much. Good enough. Okay, as much as you are comfortable with. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, let's take a 10-second break before we start getting in. I'm sure you can feel the heat in the whole of your body, okay, especially the abs, okay, and we'll get into the workout today. Okay, the first thing we'll start with is our favorite crunches, okay. Crunches is something which is the best workout for your abs. So if you get a chance, try to do a set of 25 in 4 sets. Okay, so you will kind of do 100 crunches. It's not very difficult. Okay, it's very simple. All you got to do is lie down on the floor. Okay, and I will try to bring my navel as if I'm touching on the floor. So I will squeeze it. I will try to squeeze my navel. Okay, where my belly is touching the floor. This is what I will imagine. Keep your hands below your head and up. Okay, now I do not want 6 packs in my neck. I want it on my abs. So I will not put pressure on my neck, but I will lift my shoulders. I will not jerk my knee, my neck. Okay, the pressure has to come on your abs, right? So I'm not going to bend like this where I'm pressurizing my neck, but it will be, I will lift my shoulders up so my entire pressure is on my abs, right? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. People who can lift their legs up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, what we'll be doing is we'll first go ahead and complete one round of all the exercises, right? And I really want you to do it, try to do it at least 2 or 3 times more, right? But let's just do it once so we cover all the exercises, right? After this, we will get into a swimming position. We'll go ahead and swim in our homes. I will lie down on my stomach, okay, lie down, okay, and I will alternate. I will first lift up my left leg and right hand, and then left hand and right leg, right? I'm just going to alternate. That's it. That's all I'm doing. But if you can feel the pressure on your abs, on your legs, and this is very good for people who have back issues, and we'll do this for 30 seconds. Think you are swimming. Do not bend your knee. Do not fold your knee like this, okay? But I will go ahead and keep it straight. Keep Deep breathing, guys. Let's do it for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take a 10-second break. Okay, and we'll go ahead and do the next workout. So the next one will be touch your toe. We'll lie down on our backs, keep our legs straight. Okay, make a 90 degree with our bodies, and we will try to touch the toes. And we'll do it for 30 seconds. Do not rush in. Do it nice and easy, slowly. Okay, our focus is our abs, right? So I'm going to lie down. Keep my legs straight as much as I can, okay? If you can't keep your legs straight, if you can't touch your toes, it's okay. Just do the action. Think you are touching your toes, right? So let's start in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My head is up. It's not resting on the floor. Alright. We'll take a 10-second break and we'll get into the next one. Okay, the next one is just a plain plank. Okay, we'll get into a plank position and we'll hold in the plank position for 30 seconds. Alright, let's get in. 1, 2, and 3. Let's start. Okay, I want your body to be straight, in a straight line. Focus on all your muscle groups, especially your abs. And keep deep breathing. Okay, we'll do it for 30 seconds. Just concentrate, guys, on your abs. Like I said last time, planks are really good for your entire body. Okay, try to do it at least 30 seconds 4 times. So that is 2 minutes of plank every day. Okay, so from 30, move on gradually to 45. Right, let's take a 10-second break, and then we'll get into plank dips. Okay, again I will get into a plank position, but this time on my wrist, okay, on my hands, and I will keep moving from side to side. So these are called as plank dips. This is very good for your side handles, or the love handles as they call it. Okay, get into the position. 3, 2, 1. All I'm doing is I'm just dipping. Hence it's called as plank dips. Okay, we'll do 15 on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go ahead and take a 10-second break. So this was plank dips. Now what we'll be doing is we'll go ahead and touch our ankles. Okay, I'm just going to lie down on my back. Okay, and I will just keep touching my ankles. Again, head raised. Let's try down. I know most of you must have started sweating by now, and I'm sure it feels good. Right, in 3, 2, 1. All I'm doing is I'm keeping my head up and I'm touching my ankles. If you can, take your legs a little further out, so you have to make an extra effort of touching your ankles. Do a count of 20. Again, I will tighten my abs, okay, my core. Okay, I will try to touch think you have to touch your belly to the ground. Okay? And that's how you will make it hard. And if somebody is punching you on your stomach, and then you really squeeze your stomach so that you don't feel the punch, that's what we want to do. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's take a 10-second break. So we're not giving our body much rest. We're just giving a 10-second break. We're not going to take any longer breaks. Okay. After this, we'll get into a Russian twist. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit and I will move. Okay. People who can lift their leg up and touch on the sides. Excellent. Who cannot, they can press their legs on the ground, okay, on the floor, and they can just twist. This is called as Russian twist. Again, it's very good for your side muscles or side fats, right? People who can lift their leg up, okay, and we will try to do it. 20, 10 on each side. Keep breathing, guys. Take your tummy in, tuck it in. People who have back issue, this again exercise is really good for your back. Maybe you don't need to really twist, but all you can do is on your sides. Okay? Try to do a slow range of motion, half range of motion. Okay? And people who can twist your back. I will just try to pick something and keep it on the other side. So we'll do this for a count of 20, 10 each. Let's take a 10-second break before we get into the next workout. Okay, the next workout is called as Cobra exercise. We will lie down on our stomach, okay, and we will just raise ourselves up. Again, an excellent exercise to correct our posture. Okay, people especially who have back issues can do this. Okay, this is very good. Mostly right now, most of the time we are on our phones and we do not sit properly. So this exercise is really good for your lower back. Okay, all I'm going to do is lie down. Okay, keep my hands close to my chest. Okay, and I will go up. Okay, people who have back issues, do not go up completely. Okay, but I will go half range. But go up as much as you can, and we'll do it for a count of 20. Again, focus on your abs. 6, 7. People who can raise your legs up. Okay, I can raise my legs. Okay, and I can do the workout. If not, you can rest it on the floor. People who can raise your leg up. Keep breathing, guys. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, let's go ahead and take a 10-second break. At this time, if you want to have some water, take a sip, do not take much. Okay, the next will be, we will go ahead and stand up. Okay. Okay, can we move ahead? Give me a thumbs up if you guys are okay. Okay, cool. So, when you're doing workout, do not have a lot of water. Maybe a sip or two because your throat is really parched, but do not have a lot of water because the chances are your stomach will start hurting. Okay, and you'll not be able to do workout. Let's go ahead and stand. And what I'll do is, I will try to touch my elbow to my knee, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the standing workouts for our abs. Alright, now all I'm going to do is I'm going to lean back as much as I can. Okay, so I'll just keep my hands here and I will lean back. Okay, so I will just stretch. I will not lean back totally, but I will stretch my ab muscles, right? So stretch your abs as much as you can. Maybe for a 30 seconds you can do this. So focus on your abs. Stretch your abs as much as you can. Right. Now we will go ahead and get into our plank position once again, and now we will do mountain climbing. Okay. So I will keep my hands here. Okay, get into a plank position, and I will just come up. That's all. I will not touch my other leg on the floor, but I will keep it up. Okay. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll do 20. That means 10 on each side. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we'll do plank jacks. That means I will get into a plank position and I will just take my legs in and out, in and out. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, people who are not able to do that, just go ahead and stay in the plank position, right? But try to do a little bit. Let's get into a plank position. And I will just do in and out. That means 1, 2, 3. That's all I have to do. You're not going to do much. This is it. Okay, it's a very simple workout. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm doing very slowly. 8, 9, 10. Remember, this is a core workout, so I will have to squeeze my core. 12, 15, 17, 2 more, and that's it. Am I still audible, guys? Okay, so that was our core workout. Okay, I want you guys to do it at least 2 more times, everything that we did. If you can, if you have strength. Okay, can I just show, can we do one last workout, which is reverse crunches? Give me a thumbs up if you still can do it. Come on guys, let's push it. Yeah, we really want those 6-pack abs, right? And it's not difficult. So just one last workout. All I'm going to do is I'm going to lie down on my back. Okay, my hands below my hip, 90 degree, and just lift. Just lift. That's it. It's very simple. You do not need any stamina. You do not need anything. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. And we got 10 more minutes left. Alright, let's try to do 15 if we can. Let's do 20, right? It's a weekend, and I'm sure people will be eating a little bit. here and there. Okay, so let's start our morning with a good workout for the abs. Take your legs as much as you can. Reverse crunches are my favorite. I can do up to 200. This will take care of your lower tummy, especially women. Come on guys, I did 15. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent, that feels good, right guys? Okay, let's take a 10-second break and we'll go ahead and do the cool down. When you're doing exercises at home, I request that do not forget to do the warm up and cool down. It's very, very important for our muscles so that we don't injure them, we do not take overload, and we just calm them down because you really make your muscles work hard while doing workouts. So it's very important to just give them a rest and know that the workout is over. Right, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep my legs straight and I will touch my toes, that's all. Again, let's do it for a count of 10. You can think in your mind, okay, count 10, but do not say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go a little slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you realize the pull is on your calf and on your hamstrings. Right, I will spread my legs, okay, and I will, with my left hand, I will touch my right toe, okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the other leg, okay, it's the opposite, okay, and I will not bend my knee. If you can't touch your toe, no problem, stretch as much as you can, but I will not bend my knee. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the next thing is, you can remove your shoes and we'll do a butterfly. I will get into a butterfly position, join my legs, okay, and take them as closer as you can and just flap your thighs. If you can see, the entire stretch is on your inner thighs, which is very good, and I will try to tuck my tummy in, okay, and I want you to bend down as much as you can. This is what happens when you sweat and you have a Bluetooth. Okay, bend down as much as you can. Try to touch your toes. And this is with everyday exercise. Okay, it's good for your flexibility. It's good for your balance. Okay, so I'm going to touch my toes. If you can't, no problem. Just keep flapping. And do this every day. And you can easily touch your legs on the floor. Right? Okay, once we do that, we'll go ahead and do side twist. Okay, this will be the last cool down. I think I'm running out of time. We have 5 more minutes. All I'm going to do is twist. I'm not going to twist my whole body. I'm just going to keep my hip straight and I'm going to twist. Please remember guys, this is just one round of the circuit. If you can, whatever you remember, please go ahead and do it 2 to 3 times. I've also done the recording. Okay, so you will get the recording in next 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes back. I'll upload it on the YouTube link and you shall be able to do it once again right now. Okay, let's go ahead and do hyperextension. touch my toes, put your weight forward, okay. Right, with that, this was our core workout. I'm sure you guys are all sweaty and excited. Okay, I'll go ahead and unmute all of you. Okay,